Canadian theme for May Festival, Culinary Journey to Canada. Oh, Canada. Right outside of cafe at far eastern Shangri-La, Taipei, there is a selection of products that can be purchased, but they're not necessarily from Canada. Since the event focuses on Canadian lobsters, there are lobsters tube souvenirs that can be purchased. The restaurant is bright and spacious and decorated with Canadian flags. This is the salad area with a section dedicated to salad made with pulses because Canada is the world's largest producer of lentils and peas. Hence the collaboration with Pulse Canada. There are over 7 kinds of salad dressings and an array of dried fruits and nuts for toppings. This is the seafood area with whole shrimps, clams, mussels, snails, and baby octopuses on ice. There are a bunch of condiments to go with your seafood too. This is the Japanese cuisine area featuring a make-your-own hand roll station where guests can choose up to 3 ingredients for each of their hand roll. This is the noodle station where guests can choose their own ingredients and noodles are cooked to order. There are 2 kinds of soup bases to choose from, beef or chicken. This is the teppanyaki station where everything is cooked live. They even have okonomiyaki, which I've been craving for a long time. This is the deep fried shrimp tempura worth fighting for because every time it's served, the plate is gone within seconds. See, I wasn't shitting you. You literally have to stand and wait for a new batch to come out. This area serves Southeast Asian cuisine, featuring different kinds of curries, and they're all very legit. This area is an eye-catcher featuring roasted aged U.S. ribeye steak and honey glazed ham. This is 什么牛排加松露酱？ You heard me right. Truffle sauce can be added to your roast beef.
这个是奶油巧克力抹茶跟芒果吧。
Besides Haagen-Dazs ice cream, there are desserts in cups. The one we find remarkable is this that tastes like sago with coconut cream.
椰浆西米露。
After our afternoon tea experience last time at Hilton, we had to test out their scones.
我切了，
切吧。
那会不会硬的切不开来？软的。
软的吗？
软的。
它是正常的司康。
对，所以它里面长这样。
正常的。
Collaborations, or if you want to join our next event, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and share. You can also add me online at Tinkeebellezza, Tinkeebellezza. Make sure the T is capital and send us a message first so we don't miss you. You can also add us on Line app by our QR code.
Make sure to follow and like us on Facebook as well at fashionecsta. That's www.facebook.com/fashionecsta. Follow us on Instagram at fashionecstasy. Also my personal account at tanya.fashionecstasy. We are also on Twitter at fashionecstasy and my personal account at shutanya. It's HSUTANYA. For more, just visit our website at fashionecstasy.com. Just Google search Fashion Ecstasy or in Chinese 时尚高潮.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. We upload videos every weekend, sometimes Friday, sometimes Saturday, sometimes Sunday, depending on my disability status. 谢谢观赏，长编每个周末都会上传影片哦，记得按订阅、按赞、分享哦，铃铛要开启哦。